Hey guys, what's up? It's Awesome Really again today with options traders, and we're going to do a day trading recap. Today's day trading was super quick and super fast because I had things to do, classes to go to, stuff to get done, which is sad because today was a great move. So today, so far, I zoomed into the entry or the morning of when the stock market opened, and my usual stock is SPX, or it's actually the index. So we look into it. I didn't trade. I don't like to trade the first 15 minutes. There's always a lot of consolidation, some crazy moves. So of course we wait, and we get hit by this resistance level here. We start to break down here, and then we come down to a pivotal red support level. We have this doji, and usually when you're having a reversal, you have a strong push down, an indecision candle like a doji, and then you have a continuation upward. So after I saw that this broke down below the EMA, below this wick, I bought a put. And I traded it quick down here for a 10% gain in the morning. How did I know when to get out? Because when it was coming down here, it bounced up and down a bit. It wasn't showing that strong push that I wanted. You see how we have this huge push here, and then we're teetering here. As you can tell, we close with no wick here because we continued to push down. That's what I was looking for here. A close with no wick, just a continuation push down. We did not get it, so I took my profit right there for a 10% gain. And then I left to go do my personal / school stuff, and that was probably my problem today. Because let's zoom out of today and let's look at the rest of the trading day. Not in, out. Look at the beauty. So let's look at the trade that I took and comparing it to how you could have traded the rest of today. So I traded the break of the EMA, which is this blue line. I'll make a video on it sometime in the future. But yeah, so look, we traded the break, or I traded the break down on this EMA line. You can also trade the break above, okay? But I prefer breakdowns because they move faster. So you could have easily waited until it came and it broke down past this EMA and traded it again here. This right here, I'm sure, was an easy 300 bucks with one contract, and we're talking about one contract, maybe about a $400 contract. And you could have easily traded this and made $300 off your $400 just trading the break of the EMA line. And then you wait here, you continuation upward, then you have the breakdown. You could have traded it again. So then waited. This would have been, I guess, a false signal. But still, I mean, you would have gotten, I would say, about a break even if you would have gotten in and waited for it to bounce back up. And then we have again this just flush down. So based on my strategy and how I would have been here, I would have traded because I would have saw that we had these two higher lows. I would have connected that, so I would have saw that it came up here and bounced with the two indecision candles. We broke below the EMA and a major support level here. That would have been my entry, which I was in class. And some people may ask, well, why don't you trade in class? Because the professor I have will count you absent if you take out any electronic devices. And yeah, I don't want to be counted absent because if you have so many absences, then he makes you withdraw. And I already have a few absences. So we have this breakdown here, and how would you have known not to get out? Okay, because we're having this flush down here, right? What if you would have saw this bounce here? Two things you could have done. First, waited to see if it broke above the EMA line or got rejected by it. Okay, it stayed below it and continued trending down. But if you wanted to be safe, which is probably something that I would do, I would see this green candle and I would sell, and then I'd wait for it to break below this line, and then I would have re-entered. So I would have re-entered here, and then I probably would have taken profits here because this is a support level and it bounces at support levels. So we got this bounce. It got rejected by the EMA. We broke below this major support. I would have re-entered on a put. And this right here, I looked at it. If you would have just bought here and sold at this, I think it was this support or close to here, with $600, you would have made $1,400 in a matter of a day by just sitting and waiting and holding it. Sadly, I was not available. I can't wait for the summer. It's going to be game on. And again, when I be able to trade full time, which is definitely what I want to do in the future, trade full time, and also start an e-commerce business. I know this was a long recap because my day trade was short, a quick 10% in the morning. I just wanted to show y'all how the strategy can help y'all, and y'all can use this and incorporate it into your own strategy. I hope that helped. I'm sorry if I talked too long. If I did, just be like, hey, you talk too long. Get straight to the point. Please subscribe, please like, please comment. If you disliked it, that's fine. Click dislike, but I'd like you to tell me why in the comments. Also, Discord link is below. That's where I am. That's where I call stuff out, where I can help you out. There's also a Facebook group. I'm not there a lot, but it's super helpful. There's a lot of other great traders in there, and I hope y'all learned something from this video. And good luck trading in the markets, guys.